بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
لم يكن الذين كفروا من أهل الكتاب والمشركين منفكين حتى تأتيهم البينة.
The disbelieving people of the book and the polytheists were not going to leave their religion until clear proof comes to them.
رسول من الله يتلو صحفا مطهرة.
Who is that clear proof? He is the messenger of Allah, i.e., the beloved Prophet Muhammad, that he recites the sacred scriptures,
فيها كتب قيمة.
in which are written upright words of Allah.
وما تفرق الذين أوتوا الكتاب إلا من بعد ما جاءتهم البينة.
And the people of the book did not dispute but after this that the clear proof, i.e., the beloved Prophet Muhammad, came to them.
وما أمروا إلا ليعبدوا الله مخلصين له الدين حنفاء ويقيموا الصلاة ويؤتوا الزكاة وذلك دين القيمة.
And those people, i.e., of the book, were ordered to worship Allah only, believing solely in Him, being on one side purely, i.e., towards Islam only, and to establish Salah and to pay Zakah. And this is the straight religion.
إن الذين كفروا من أهل الكتاب والمشركين في نار جهنم خالدين فيها أولئك هم شر البرية.
Indeed, all the disbelievers, the people of the book and the polytheists, are in the fire of hell. They will remain in it forever. It is they who are the worst of the entire creation.
إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات أولئك هم خير البرية.
Indeed, those who believe and did good deeds, it is they who are the best of the entire creation.
جزاؤهم عند ربهم جنات عدن تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها أبدا رضي الله عنهم ورضوا عنه ذلك لمن خشي ربه.
Their reward with their Lord is gardens for dwelling, beneath which streams flow, in which they will abide forever and ever. Allah is pleased with them, and they are pleased with Him. This reward is for the one who fears his Lord.
صدق الله العظيم.